All right, welcome back. We are ready to go. I hope you had a good lunch. Appreciate those who brought me food since I couldn't go out. Now, since everybody's tummy is full and I know how sleepy I get, the years of doing this has taught me to do this after lunch. Okay, so you have to keep moving a little bit. All right, so it kind of helps get over that that snoozy feeling. So we're going to do a exercise with the bead models that you all have, and hope you like your colors, with what's called I'm Normal beads. And these are normal models. They are nothing but normal and will be nothing ever but normal, which is different, as I'll explain tomorrow, from the pastas, which can be anything you want them to be. Okay, so now everyone has a model, I assume? Okay, good. All right. This is something I developed because an interesting pattern started evolving earlier in my career as I would try and help people with DQOs and statistics and error management and all that. And once in a while I would get a person, often a regulator, who would say, I don't care what you do, Jeff, but I won't listen to anything about statistics. Okay? I don't believe in it. It's voodoo. It doesn't work. And I don't want to hear about it. So do whatever you want, but I won't want to hear about statistics. But, you know, it's sort of like, Mario Batali going to his potential client, millionaire client. The guy says, well, you can fix any kind of food but Italian. You know, and it's like, well, what do I do now? So one of my solutions, and because I was also teaching at the graduate level at DU, Denver University, was to make an experiential type exercise for adults who didn't want to learn formulas, and I didn't want to teach them either because that doesn't work, and take home a lesson about, number one, does the normal distribution really exist? Okay, and can we show that it exists for real by kind of stacking the deck and doing an exercise in it? And so I developed the concept of a bead model and also the pasta model about the same time. And it's sort of funny, my wife literally thought I was on the verge of mental illness because I was counting beads and I was counting pastas and scooping pastas, and I was running to Hobby Lobby twice a week to get new colors because they had new colors and this and shapes, and I was experimenting, and she thought I was totally losing it. Okay, and well, finally, after I gave a few classes, she admitted that there was some value in it, although she still may be right that I'm on the verge of any statistician may be a little bit close to the line. But over the years, we've done tens of thousands of samples, and we've proven the normal distribution, so that's good, and that's what we want you to do today. Now, I call them I'm Normal, okay? So you can be normal too, and we'll find out if you're normal today. Everybody wants to be normal, right? That's a good thing.